This is one of the coolest cash registers that I have ever seen in person. This is a national cash register, manufactured in 1908, with a serial number 664919. The six-digit serial number that starts with 66 was made from 1908 to 1935. This over here is the receipt printer. It opens up over here on this side. You can see in there, that's where the printer goes. And then you can also take this whole thing off and see the printing mechanism right here. And this is how it sounds like shopping at the Epic online auctions.